Burping your baby. Sounds simple, right? Let's make it even easier. Babies swallow air while feeding, and burping helps release that air. Less gas means a happier baby. Okay, let's get into it. Hold your baby upright against your shoulder. Gently pat or rub their back. Make sure you've got a burp cloth handy. Sit your baby on your lap, facing away from you. Support their head and chest with one hand. Pat their back with the other. Lay your baby face down on your lap. Support their head slightly higher than their body. Again, pat or rub their back. Some burp quickly, others take longer. Patience is key. Happy burping.